Hello, folks. Welcome to the Abstinence is Right game. I'm your host for this evening, Joyner, alongside with Ali White. This game will test your knowledge and at the same time, we'll have lots of fun.
Before we begin our show, here's a skit brought to you by the Baldwin Education Program.
Come on, babe. You said you loved me.
Of course I do. How many times do I have to tell you that? I really do love him, but I'm just not ready yet.
I know she loves me, but why is she only playing mind games with me? Hey, but so what? No score yet? What you waiting for? Nah, I cannot force her. But you don't know what you're missing out? Just rush her. How can Charles get any excuses, bro?
Elani, come. Oh yeah. Hey, Passion. What happened? Well, Kai wanted to have sex with me, but I'm not ready yet.
Well, you know, if you don't have sex with him, he's gonna go find somebody else who will.
You think so?
Yeah?
He better not.
He's so handsome and so many girls try to get with him. What are you waiting for?
Why do they care? They make like it's a big deal to have sex.
Honey, I really love you, but I don't think I'm ready either.
Me too. Good things are worth waiting for.
Hi, I'm Sarah and I'm a peer educator, and today we're going to be talking about the consequences of sex. Sex is such a big issue because it's something that teens face with worldwide, not only just right here. So today we're going to be talking about this issue because it's not always openly discussed. So stay tuned because it's all about the consequences of sex.
Hi, my name's Kendall. Having sex is a serious thing, and it's important to do a lot of thinking about it before you actually decide to do it. Everyone should know that it's okay to say no. There is no need to rush into things because you have your whole life to experience them. Most teens think that sex is just another fun activity without actually realizing the consequences. Sex should not be taken casually and should be considered one's ultimate expression of love for another person. That means that you should not have sex with someone just because you like them.
Okay, enough talk. Let's get ready to play the Abstinence is Right game. Let's meet our contestants. Straight out of Wailuku Town, 3 Baldwin seniors. Our first contestant is Leka Pua. Ali, why don't you tell us a little bit about Leka?
Leka Pua, a first-year PEP student, is currently Baldwin High's senior class president and on her way to graduating as class valedictorian. Once a goalkeeper on Baldwin's national ranked soccer team, she continues to actively participate in school as a member of the Senior Luau Committee, Project Graduation Committee, and School and Community-Based Council. Leka is involved in helping her church. She is planning to major in psychology while attending Brigham Young University, Hawaii this fall.
Please give it up for Leka.
Contestant number 2 is Amberlyn Alcantara. Senior Amberlyn Alcantara, also from Baldwin High School, belongs to clubs and organizations that focus on making the world a better place for future youths. Her hope is to be able to continue to make a difference in the lives of children. She has been on the State Board of REAL, a nonprofit organization against the tobacco industry, and the only third-year member of peer education program. She attends church regularly and is their altar girl.
How about a nice round of applause for Amberlyn? And finally, We would like to introduce our third and final contestant. On Abstinence is Right, Janae Pistano.
To all her friends, she is known as Jay, and she wants to make no exceptions for tonight. A senior and second-year PEP member, Jay's immediate plan after graduation is to go right back to school by attending summer school at MCC. Her long-term goal, however, is to obtain a master's degree in business management.
Put your hands together for Jay. And now may I remind the contestants that this is reverse Jeopardy, meaning we'll ask the questions and you give us the answers.
Okay, wait a minute. I don't get it.
Yeah, what are we supposed to do again?
We are playing reverse Jeopardy, meaning we give the questions and you give the answers.
We did a coin toss to determine who gets to pick the category first. Jay, you get to be first.
All right, let's play The Abstinence is Right. Jay?
I'll take birds and the bees for 10.
Where does the egg come from? Yes, Jay.
The egg sac.
Nope. Emberlyn?
Hello, it's the female's ovary.
That's correct.
I'll take birds and bees for 20.
Where do the egg and the sperm meet? Lekka?
In the female's fallopian tube.
Yes, fertilization occurs in the fallopian tubes. Make your selection, please.
Birds and the bees for $30.
What is the male ejaculate called? Jay.
The semen.
Correct. And think about this. A boy may father a child once he starts producing sperm in the semen, as early as age 10 or in the 4th grade. Your choice, Jay.
I'll take birds and the bees for 40, please.
The number of sperm ejaculated in a woman during intercourse. Yes, Emberlyn?
200?
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. Jay.
1,000?
No, a little more than that. Lekka.
About 1 million?
Right, and it only takes one to penetrate the egg. Lekka, your choice.
Birds and the bees for $50.
Where does the fertilized egg or zygote go? Lekka.
Into the vagina?
Doesn't it grow in the abdomen?
The uterus.
Jay, you are absolutely right. Once the egg is fertilized, it attaches to the lining of the uterus, where it grows first into an embryo and then will be born as a fetus.
What? Feet first?
No, I said the fetus, and it will be born naturally head first. Your choice, Jay.
I'll take myths for 50.
When do girls think it's a safe time to have sex? Emberlyn.
During her period.
That's right. Once a girl starts menstruating between the ages of 9 through 16, no matter how tiny she is or immature or financially incapable, it is still possible for her to become pregnant. When a girl's egg is not fertilized, the lining of the uterus leaves the body and is known as menstruation. Some girls think that when they are menstruating, they can't get pregnant, but the truth is, an egg can be released at the same time, or in any time in that matter. In other words, there's no safe time to have sex. Go on, Emberlyn.
Let's try myths for 10.
What is the least effective contraceptive method? Lekka.
Pull out or withdraw method.
Right. Boys may insist on pulling out before they ejaculate. But this does not work. There's pre-cum that results in unwanted pregnancies, and by going bare, you put yourself at risk for other things like STIs.
What is an STI?
STI, for your information, stands for sexually transmitted infection, such as chlamydia, herpes, or crabs. Now, if we could please continue. Lekka?
I'll try complications for $50.
What is the condition when an egg implants in the fallopian tube? Lekka?
I know this. It's something like topic.
I'm sorry. Emberlyn?
It's an ectopic pregnancy. Duh.
Okay, now, let's be respectful. But yes, you are right. It is known as an ectopic pregnancy.
Let me tell you why that happens. Although the outside of the fallopian tube is normally the size of a telephone cord and about 4 inches, it's the insides that count. An infection or scarring can cause the egg to get stuck because the passageway is as narrow as only 2 strands of hair. By the way, having sex with multiple partners also increases your chances of these kinds of complications.
Thank you, Allie. Now let's move on. Emberlyn, it's your turn.
I'll take complications for 10, please.
Girls with untreated STIs can end up with a condition called PID. What can this cause?
What was it? What was PID? Pelvic?
Inflammation.
No, you're both wrong. Jay.
The answer is infertility.
Correct, Jay. Let's take a commercial break. So far, we have Emberlyn in the lead with 110. Jay is a close second with 90 points. And Lekka telling with 70 points. But it's still anybody's game here on Abstinence is Right.
Here's a message to clear up any myths about teen pregnancies.
Tish, why don't you just sleep with him already? I mean, you guys have been going out for like, what, 5 months?
Yeah, I know, but we're both virgins, and it's our first time. I don't want to get pregnant.
Hello, Tish. You can't get pregnant on your first time.
Where have you been, Marcy? Yes, you can get pregnant on your first time, but who cares? I mean, if Brandon just pulls out or doesn't go all the way in, then Tisha has definitely nothing to worry about.
Well, I know that isn't true, but even if Brandon does go all the way, I'm having my period, so I probably won't get pregnant. What do you guys think?
Ew, that's not only gross, but that's so untrue. But if you have sex in a hot tub or a pool, your period won't be as bad, and you won't get pregnant.
That's true. And then just make sure to douche yourself with some Coca-Cola or vinegar right after having sex.
Okay, I'm no scientist or doctor, but that doesn't make any sense and isn't even true. In fact, that's stupid. Douching only encourages pregnancy because the carbonation pushes the sperm further up in a girl.
Okay then, we'll just try not to have an orgasm at the exact same time as Brandon, and then you definitely won't get pregnant.
Or you could just jump up and down right after you have sex to shake all the sperm out.
That's retarded. The sperm's already in me. I can't just shake it out.
Well, then do what I do and push on your belly button. After sex, then I wear my tightest jeans for the next 3 days. What are you talking about?
My mother said the only sure way is to shower right after you have sex.
This time, your mom's wrong. I mean, taking a shower may make you feel clean, but that's no way to prevent a pregnancy.
The only sure way to not get pregnant is abstinence.
Hi, my name is Tiari, and there are many reasons why teens choose to have sex. Some major reasons are to secure a relationship and make things better, to combat feelings of loneliness, ignorance and desperation due to low self-esteem, lack of attention and even retaliation, which means getting back at a person. Sex should not be used to hurt others, as in the case of sleeping with your ex-boyfriend's best friend because he cheated on you. Look, we are not telling you that sex is bad, but these should not be your reasons for engaging in sex. Be patient because the right time and right person will come along, and the longer you abstain, the safer you'll be with no serious consequences to face.
Hey, welcome back. If you just joined us, we have the Baldwin Pep students in a battle to determine who's the winner of the Abstinence is Right. It's round 2. So far, Ember is in the lead with 110. Jay follows close behind with 90, and Lekka with 70. So that means Lekka may choose. What will it be, Lekka?
STIs for $30.
What is the most common bacterial STI? Emberlyn.
It's crabs.
Nope. Lekka.
It's chlamydia.
Correct. In the year 2000, among teens and young adults, 3 million cases of chlamydia were reported in the US alone, making it the most common bacterial STI. Lekka, your choice again, please.
STIs for $10.
Incurable STIs are frequently caused by which type of organism? Lekka.
AIDS?
Well, that is a disease that is incurable, but I'm asking for the organism that causes it. Emberlyn.
Crabs?
That's incorrect. Jay.
Viruses.
Correct. Diseases such as herpes, warts, and HIV are all caused by viruses, and therefore it cannot be cured. So once you get them, you are stuck with them forever. Okay, Jay, your choice.
I'll take STIs for 20.
What STI is known as a drip or clap? Jay.
Syphilis.
Nope. Emberlin or Lecca? Emberlin?
Crabs?
No. You seem to have this thing with crabs. Lecca?
I think it's gonorrhea.
Well, you thought right. Gonorrhea gets its name drip because of its smelly, discolored vaginal and penile discharge. Lecca, hurry and make your selection.
I guess I'll take STIs for $40.
What is the easiest STI to get? In other words, the most contagious one. Lecca.
Scabies?
I'm sorry. Jay.
Herpes?
No, not herpes. Emberlin.
It's crabs, it's crabs, it's crabs!
Congratulations! You finally got the right answer. Okay, folks, that buzzer means that it's time for final reverse Jeopardy. We have Emberlin, who has maintained the lead with 150. Lecca is now ahead of Jay with 120. But Jay still has a chance. The rules are simple, folks. You have 10 seconds to answer one question, and you can wager to as much money as you want that you have. Are you ready?
Oh yes, bring it on.
You're going down, Lecca. Yeah, by me.
Okay, your category is yours, mine's, and ours. We'll have to take a short commercial break. Stay tuned to see the winner of the Abstinence is Right.
Here's our break from our sponsor, PEP.
Here are some common pressure situations that many teens face today. But first, we're going to show you what not to do when responding to sexual advances.
You know what? I don't need this. I can get a real chick anytime I want. So I don't even know why I'm putting up with you.
Well, then I feel sorry for your next real chick. I'm obviously just wasting my time. Just get out of my face.
I really like you, but I don't think it's time yet.
I can't believe you're acting so selfish. It's like you call all the shots in a relationship. What's your problem? Whatever the situation is, you do not want to cut your partner down with killer statements that could forever ruin your relationship. So if you're ever pressured into having sex, here are different ways you can refuse.
Look, I think we've been going out long enough to take this next step.
Yeah, we've been going out for a while, but if you really cared about me, then you wouldn't rush me into it.
Look, you know I love you, and I'm not trying to rush you into anything. I just think that we should take our relationship to a higher level.
Yeah, I love you too, but right now this is as far as we're gonna get.
If you really love me, you'd do it with me.
Look, don't try to confuse what I'm saying. I do love you, it's just you're talking about having sex and I'm not ready yet.
Don't you care about what I want?
I understand what you want, but it looks like what we want are two different things.
Yeah, but all of our friends are doing it already, and we've been going out far longer than them. Our relationship looks like a joke to everyone.
What do they know? And why should you even care about what they think anyway? Besides, only you and I know what's best for the both of us. Well, what if we use a condom? We definitely won't get pregnant, and we won't have anything to worry about.
But condoms aren't even 100% effective. That means anything is possible. So don't go telling me that we don't have anything to worry about. We'll still be taking a major risk, even if we use a condom.
Welcome back to Abstinence is Right. We have Emberlin in the lead with 150, Lecca with 120, and in last place we have Jay with 100. Let's continue with final reverse Jeopardy. Alrighty, here is your question. What organism causes sexually transmitted warts? You have 10 seconds. Good luck. All right, time's up. Let's see your answers. When asked what organism causes sexually transmitted warts, Lecca, you answered Condylomata acuminata. Your answer is absolutely correct. Ali, what did Lecca wager?
$80.
That brings you up to $200, Lecca. Emberlin, what was your answer?
I had no clue what it was. Besides, I thought Yours, mine's, and ours refer to babies. This is a tricky category.
That's too bad. Allie, let's see what Ember wagered.
All.
All? That drops you down to last place. Jay, let's see your answer. Hakuna Matata?
I knew it rhymed with Hakuna Matata, but I didn't have time to figure it out.
Well, Jay, that's okay. Allie, what did Jay wager?
$60.
$60. That takes you to $40. Leka is our winner for today's game of Abstinence is Right. Congratulations. Sorry, folks, we're out of time. But tune in next week to find out what happened to our friend Leka. And remember,
Abstinence is right!
Wait, sorry, did I say anything?
What did
Oh. Okay. Yeah.
You're just gonna say Emberlyn. It's just gonna say it's crabs. And you're gonna say
Crabs?
Nope, Leka.
Okay, Emberlyn. What?
Oh, this is fun.
All. I didn't bring it up.
Definitely. And just make sure you douche yourself with Coke or vinegar right after having sex. So weird. Like, what do I love? What the heck? Good job. Good.
Action.
Okay, I'm sorry. I saw my head.
Action. Oh, I say mine?
Yeah.
Action.
I really like you, but I don't think it's time yet.
Action.
I really love you, but
I'm sorry, I'm trying so hard. You're so funny, look at
Action.
I really love you, but I don't think it's time yet.
I can't believe you're acting so selfish. I mean, it's like you call all the shots in our relationship.
Action.
I really love you, but I don't think it's time yet.
Okay.
This could take a while. wait, sorry.
And action.
Only you and I know what's best for the both of us. Right?
But condoms aren't even 100% effective. The truck.
And action.
Penny, take one.
It's okay to say no.
Oh my god.
That's okay.
It's okay to say
Take two.
Life to experience it. Oh my god, you guys. Okay.
Take three. Take four. Take five. Take six. Take seven.
Having sex most.
Take eight. Take nine. Take 10. Take 11.